about 6 years ago, misheard, made some quite heinous and disturbing, brought these disturbing criminal acts against me that were not based in any species of truth. It was a complete shock that it just didn't need to go in that direction, as nothing of the kind had ever happened, though the relationship, there were arguments and things of that nature, but never did I myself reach the point of striking misheard in any way, nor have I ever struck anyone in my life. And so at the time, because the news of this, her accusations had sort of permeated the industry and then made its way through media, social media, became quite a global let's say, quote-unquote fact, if you will. And since I knew that there was no truth to it whatsoever, I felt it my responsibility to stand up, not only for myself in that instance, but stand up for my children, who at the time were 14 and 16, and so they were in high school, and I thought it was diabolical that my children would have to go to school and have their friends or people in the school approach them with the infamous People magazine cover with misheard with a dark bruise on her face, and then it just kept it kept multiplying. It just kept getting bigger and bigger. So it was my responsibility, I felt, to not only attempt to clear my name for the sake of, for many reasons, but I wanted to clear my children of this horrid thing that they were having to read about their father, which was untrue. And also, after many years of being in this industry, at the time, I'd probably been in the industry 30 plus years, 35 years. Never have had any problems or anything like that. And I had met many people over the years, many of the people, and had the opportunity to talk to those people and to even give advice to these people. And I'm not, my goal is the truth. My goal is the truth because it killed me that people that I had spoken with, that I had met with over the years, who maybe were not such a great position and they needed advice, and I gave them the best advice I could. All I could think of was that those people would think that I was a fraud and that I had lied to them. And so I had to wait for my opportunity to address the charges, which were criminal charges. And they just weren't true. So I felt the responsibility of clearing the record as the only way that I could get to the point where I could speak has really taken this full 6 years. And it's been 6 years of trying times. Very strange when one day you're Cinderella, so to speak, and then in 0.6 seconds you're Quasimodo. And I didn't deserve that, nor did my children, nor did the people who have believed in me for all these years. I didn't want any of those people to believe that I had done them wrong or lied to them or that I was a fraud. I pride myself on honesty. I pride myself on truth. Truth is the only thing I'm interested in. The lies will get you nowhere, but lies build upon lies and build upon lies. It's too much to cover. I'm obsessed with the truth, and so today is the first opportunity that I've been able to speak about this case in full for the first time.
After 6 years, Johnny Depp finally speaks his truth. Mr. Depp spoke about the abuse he endured from his mother, the abandonment by his father at a young age. He spoke about going from being just Johnny to the brand Johnny Depp and the impact that had on his life and his family, from having to hire security to get his kids to and from school, and for media and fan control. He then spoke about the beginnings with Amber Heard and how they met while filming the Rum Diary and feeling a spark, if you will, during a kissing scene, and how she came to his trailer where they had some wine. He spoke about the start of their relationship and how he began to notice behaviors in Miss Heard that seemed alarming and questionable. Mr. Depp's testimony on April the 19th took 3 hours. He spoke clearly, intelligently, and with sincerity. It's obvious he is not out to hurt anyone, not even Amber Heard. He does not relish the idea of his dirty laundry being aired. He regrets some of the language that he used in text messages in the heat of the moment. He does not deny his drug and alcohol use, though says the overuse of them has been exaggerated. He became addicted to opiates when he injured himself on a movie scene, and because of that, he will never take them again. We are truly getting a look at a man, a father, a friend, a human being, not a movie star, not Johnny Depp the brand, but Johnny the man, who simply wants to clear his name by telling the world the truth, so the legacy he leaves his children is a clean one, is the right one. In Mr. Depp's own words, it never had to get this far.